Hey, did you know that you can now analyze the market, backtest your strategy, and chat with other traders is inside FastBull.com website? Yes, FastBull.com have enrolled some amazing features to their website and to their platform. And in today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the new website of FastBull to analyze the market, backtest your strategy, and do a lot of other things. So let's get started with talking about the market codes. Okay, so in the past you have probably heard me talking about fastbull.com as a website where you can get AI signals and you can see the market trends and all the different stuff. But now you can analyze your markets inside Fastbull, just like TradingView, but Fastbull have some amazing features. So the first thing that you can do inside Fastbull is that you can now see real-time codes on your chart, right? So let's say you are analyzing this market, which is let's say USD JPY, and as you're analyzing USD JPY, you can see on the top left corner right here is that you can see real-time codes, and you can easily place your trades inside this platform. How do you do that? Just come to this here, and then on the middle here you just change the lot size that you want, and by clicking buy or sell here, you can place your trades directly. Of course, if you want to do this, you have to link your account to fastbull.com. I will show you how to do that later. Now, the next thing that Fastbull allows you to do now is to see all the market codes inside their chart window. If you come here to the far right here, you're going to see that there is a market watch, or there is a market watch that you can see right here. So for example, if you look at this, you're going to see that there are different symbols that you can put on your market watch right here. You can add these symbols and you can remove some of these symbols. For example, if I just click here on more, and if I click on commodities, I'm just going to see all the list of all commodities that you can analyze using fastbull.com. So you can put all the you can see all the instruments that you want right here. You can put crypto. If you click this plus sign right here, you can see that you can get a bigger view of all the things that you can add to this chart. For example, if you click on forex right here, you're going to see that there's all 210 currency pairs that you can trade right here. There is 10,822 stocks that you can analyze on fastbull.com. And not only that, there's indices, there's commodities, crypto, and futures, and all these instruments are instruments that you can place or that you can analyze inside fastbull.com. Now, the next amazing feature that you can get on fastbull.com is being able to view multiple charts on one screen, right? So, for example, let's say you are trading USD JPY, you're trading Euro USD, and you're trading gold and maybe rice in commodities, right? So, what you can do here is that, let's say you have 4 charts right here. So, let me just add another chart right here, right? So, we have 4 charts right here. If I want to see what is happening, instead of going through each and every tab to look for my analysis, what I can do is I can just click on this button right here. Once I click on this, and I just click tile windows, or just click out and arrow on your keyboard, and then you're going to see there are now 4 instruments on my charts, right? So what I can do now is that I can monitor all these charts on one window. I can see what is happening on all these charts using this one window from fastbull.com, right? So this is an amazing feature. This is something that most people would love to use, because now instead of going through each and every tile, you can see everything at once. Now, the other thing that is nice about Fastbull is that when you want to look to backtest your charts right here, you're going to get up to 5,000 candlesticks for free, right? So on other platforms, like for example TradingView, you can only get to a certain point of candlesticks when backtesting, and then they'll start charging a fee. But on this one, you can go for 5,000 candlesticks for backtest without paying any single dollar. So what you want to do here is you can just go back with your charts, and then you start backtesting. You are going to get 5,000 candlesticks completely for free. Then after that, the other cool thing about this website is that you can customize and you can add all other time frames that you want to analyze your market on, right? So if you go to on this upper side right here on this list of time frames, right, if I click this draw down right here, you're going to see that there's a list of all time frames that are there, right? There's 1 minute, 5 minute, 15, and these are the basic time frames that we all analyze the market in, right? But the good thing about FastBull is that you can add other time frames. For example, if I click here on plus, right, I can add a 2 minute time frame, right? So if I click 2 here, I'll just go and click confirm, and if I do that, I'm going to be able to add a 2 minute time frame on this chart. And now you can see after adding the 2 minute time frame, I can now analyze the market with the 2 minute time frame. So this is the 2 minute time frame for Bitcoin. So you can add any time frame that you want by just clicking on this add time frame right here, and you can add either, let's say 3 minutes. Again, I add that, and you can see if I do that, I can be able to analyze my charts on any time frame that I think of, any time frame that I want to. Now, the next thing that you want to know about is that on FastBull now, you can analyze the market and also you can add indicators directly on their chart, right? So if you come to indicators right here, you can add up to 64 indicators. There is 64 indicators that you can find right now on FastBull.com. Now, the good thing is some of the indicators are going to be launched very soon. As you can see, there's going to be a lot of indicators. For example, you're going to see that there are indicators that are going to be launched this end of this month, and then the others that are going to be added on the next month, and they are still working on this. But for now, you can add up to 64 indicators that you want. For example, let's say I want to add the Bollinger Bands. All I have to do is go to indicators, and then I'll click on Bollinger Bands. Once I click on Bollinger Bands, I can change the settings whatever I want, and then I'll click confirm, and now you have a nice Bollinger Band chart here. And if you are trading based on Bollinger Bands, you can now start making money. You can also add MACD on the chart right here, and as you can see, we have the Bollinger Bands and we have the MACD, which is something that is very nice. Now, why would you need FastBull to do this analysis? Well, with FastBull, after adding these indicators, you can simply navigate again, go back to market trends, correlation, go back to AI signals, and then now when you get that signal, you open the chart and then you confirm that the analysis of the AI signal is something that you want to go with. So FastBull is going to make your life much easier when trading. And also, before I close this video, I want to let you know one of the most amazing features of this, right? So you might have a library of strategies, like let's say 3-4 strategies on your trading toolkit, right? And you want to save these, so you want to make it easier for you to go through these strategies. So what you can do is, let's say your first strategy is on Bollinger Bands and MACD, just like this, right? What you can do is, once you put your chart like this, you can just save as template. So if you put your indicators, everything that you want, and then you go to templates, and then you save as a chart template. If I click here, I can just say MACD strategy 1, right? And then I confirm, right? So now what happens here is that even if I delete this, right, by mistake, or even if I change the strategies, if I go to templates right here, and then I click on MACD strategy 1, it's gonna bring back all the indicators that is on that template, so that it makes it easier for you to just go through different strategies. So let's say I have 3 strategies, I can save templates for each and every strategy. Then after that, I can just make sure that whenever I open the chart, I go to templates, click on each template. If I get a setup, I trade. If I don't, I move to another template, and then it makes it easier to switch off from strategy to strategy. That's exactly how you use FastBull.com. Now, thank you for watching this video. If you want to visit FastBull.com, I'll leave a link in the description below. Make sure you visit today, and make sure you click the link below so that they know that you came from here, and probably they are going to give us something nice, maybe a giveaway or something. So if you do want a giveaway from FastBull, I know they'll watch this video. Make sure you type in FastBull or in the comments below, and let's see how they do.